How to connect your Discord account with your Reddit easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Discord account with your Reddit easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So first thing, go to Discord. This is the homepage as you can see right here. Now if you want to connect it with your Reddit, just go down here and click on this option. Now after you click it on this option, you would find those settings right here. Now all what you have to do is click on this connections option right here. Click on connections and it will take you to this page. Now on this page, all what you have to do is click on this add. Click on add and now click on Reddit. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to like as I said. Thank you so much for watching.